Well, hello. Well, hello. Thank you for joining me. This is our last class for this particular course. So let's inhale our arms up. Exhale them down. Again, only bring your arm as high as it's comfortable for you. Use the options that work for your body. And if the breath matching to your movement is too much, just remember not to hold it. That's all. Exhale. Next time your arms are up, keep them up. Keep breathing here. Reach, reach, reach. Nice little side movement. Oh, yeah. Reach, engage the leg. Mountain pose legs here. Exhale at the hip. Fold down. And inhale back up. Exhale, fold down. This time, flat back. Elbows are in. Nice inhale, we're doing our Sun Salutation. Exhale, the hands down and get into a plank. Your knees can be down. Your knee can be down the entire class. Use a folded blanket under them if you must. Just get situated here. If you want to go in your plank, that's your distance for your down dog. Tummy is tight. Big inhale, exhale. Move the bum back. Little bend in the knee, maybe a big bend in the knee. It's all good. Bring your chest close to the mat towards your feet and start walking your dog. Just breathe here. Oh, yes. Just nice little walk. Nice. Now bring your hands to your feet. Dangle a little bit in your ragdoll. We're going in full sun salutation. Inhale up. If you've seen the other videos that goes with this, there's lots of variation you can do. And again, inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale flat back. Exhale down. Come down to your plank. And then you have the option to chaturanga to Cobra. Big inhale, exhale. Bring the chest towards the mat, elbows are in. Unfold the feet, nice little Cobra here. Anything that don't feel good, you skip, right? Oh, nice little organic movement. Nice. Ooh, bring shoulder down here. Tuck the toes, press in your hands and down dog we go. Walk, walk, walk. Now this time we're gonna walk forward. Bring your feet to your hands. Nice. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale flat back. Exhale down. Inhale back up. And turn around. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale flat back. Exhale, hands down. To your plank. Chaturanga to Cobra. Best you can here. This one, you can skip this little part here. Doesn't always work for everyone, and that's okay. I skip a lot of things myself. Yeah. Oh. And walk towards your hands. Big inhale up. And face me for a moment here. Just face me for a moment. We're just gonna add a little side bend here. Just a little bit. Little side bend flow. Huh? Like cleansing our palate with those little crackers between the glasses of wine at the wine tasting party, if that's what you're into. Coffee grind, you can breathe too, right? Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale flat back, exhale hands down. Cobra. Oh, chaturanga to Cobra. Tuck your toes. And down dog we goes. And arms to the feet. Now you go at your own pace, and I want you to add something special to it. Maybe something you learn. Maybe you want to start in chair pose, huh? Tuck your belly, send your bum back. Maybe your arms are on your hips. Yeah, and add little things you learn along the way with this course. Inhale, exhale at your own pace. If you want to close your eyes doing it, that's another challenge. That's always fun too. Adding little fun movement. Don't copy me here. Do your own little fun with your body. Exhale down. Ooh. Inhale up. Exhale forward fold. Flat back. Send one leg back and then the other. Knees can go down as always. Exhale. This time we're alternating a little bit. Saying I one way. Turning the other bit. Little balance on the side. You're not far from the ground here. It all works. Hands under the shoulders, elbows in. Little Cobra. Two child pose. Ooh. Just rest here for a moment. Oh, and when ready, find yourself into your back. Oh. Huh? Oh, let's bring our knees to our chest. Nice. And I love happy baby. Oh, that's so nice. Feel good. I'm grabbing my big toes for this time. You can grab your ankle, your pants, whatever feels good to you. If you just want to stay still, just bring your knees apart and bring them gently towards you. All our movements are always gentle, so be gentle to your body, huh? Oh, maybe you want to move in happy baby and have a little fit. Maybe you're just happy, going gaga. All right, full of life. Oh, and exhale all that down. Feet a little bit apart here. Come a little higher on my mat. Yeah, feet a little bit apart. The arms just a little bit apart. You're not like snow angel here. Your arms are in Savasana and the corpse pose. We don't say corpse pose, no. We say the resting pose, right? Easy seat, crisscross applesauce, all kind of new names for everything. Keeping us on our toes. Just rest here. If it's closing your eyes is a possibility for you, it doesn't like stress you or anything, do so. If not, keep a little vision on the corner of your eyes here. Check what the kid's doing or something. Just breathe, relax. And I like bringing my fingers towards my heels, exhaling my shoulders and elbows down. Just take a breath here, just relax. Don't try to control your breath, just pay attention to it. Maybe a hand on the belly, the other on the heart. Just pay attention just to your breath. It's okay if you hear all the noise around you and got things going through your mind. That is normal. Just keep focusing on the breath and all that noise is gonna get more distant and distant. Oh, and when you are ready, I'm gonna fold the knee on the side that I'm not getting up on to push my hip. See, right here, push my hip. Shoulder follows, grab the floor, stretch that upper legs to counterbalance it that way. Your head spinning, get back down. It's nice staying on our side for a few breaths. Wow, we completed our 10-day course. Isn't that fun? You get a badge for it from YouTube, so make sure you look into that. If you haven't done the class yet, there'll be a link at the end. You can do them. They're meant to do in order, but just pick what you need, really. Well, I will see you there, and until then, namaste.